And since it has rings here as well, you can also attach the UV filter, just so you have extra protection. Then you can also attach the Cpl filter. And you can also attach an ND filter. Bro, lots of filters. Check that out, guys. Filterception. Now this is a joke, guys. Don't take this seriously. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pinoy Tech Dad. Today we're gonna be unboxing or unwrapping an Andoer CPL filter kit. This one I got from Lazada, but it's available as well at Amazon US. Let's go ahead and see what's inside of this filter kit. My daughter broke my original, the CPL filter that I had installed. I was so worried because I thought she broke my lens. It was a Sigma 16mm Sony E-mount lens. This is just gonna be a very quick unboxing. As you can see, it also comes with a lens hood. It's kind of cheap, but okay, I'll take it. It's free. And you open this. So we actually have 3 in this kit. You have a cleaning cloth, you have a lens cap, lens cover. This is the Fluorescent Filter, FLD. This allows the camera to shoot under fluorescent lighting, brings out warm natural lighting to rooms that would otherwise be washed out by unappealing fluorescent lights. This is a little bit old school and has already been made obsolete is the word, I guess. This is supposed to add an artistic style. So this one, the clear one, is a UV filter. So this UV filter supposedly prevents loss of sharpness and contrast by filtering out UV rays and haze. So it protects the lens from scratches as well. This is the Cpl filter, guys. This is the circular polarizer filter. It increases the color and contrast by removing unwanted reflections from non-metallic surfaces such as water or glass. For example, you're shooting the water, you're taking a video of the water and you'll see a reflection. You'll usually see a reflection. If there's a fish right under the water, you won't be able to see that fish. You'll only see the reflection of the sky most likely. Now with this filter, you'll be able to go through that reflection and see the fish underneath the water. So this is supposed to be an elastic band. So you wrap it around your lens like this, like so. So you have it like that. Just gonna fix it because I'm a little bit OC about this. So now it looks like this. And what you have to do next is, well, you can use the lens cap that it comes with. So you take off the adhesive just like that, and then you attach it here. So now every time you don't want to use your lens cap, you take off your lens cap. You don't have to put it away. That should do it for this unboxing and a little bit of sample.